I'm Mike, and I'm the founder CEO of Home. Home's mission is to make everyone, regardless of who you are or where you're from, have a place where you feel loved and you belong. Home offers a full customization of services at a very affordable price. We do this by having all the expertise under one roof. You're not going to have to look for a separate electrician and a plumber and a carpenter. We do all of that for you and pass the savings on to you.
My name is Corey Malala, and I'm the Chief Construction Officer at Home. I've personally managed and flipped over 270 homes and over 300 residential home renovation projects. We can pretty much handle anything since our main expertise is flipping homes. We can do bathroom remodels, kitchen remodels, framing, full basements, roofing, siding, exterior and interior full renovations, as well as working with outside contractors to do masonry work and concrete.
At Home, we take a very hands-on approach with each and every one of our customers. We will come out to your home, figure out exactly what you need, and work within your budget to make your dreams come true.
The three things that set us apart on a home renovation are expertise, quality, and flexible approach. We can give you 3D renderings on a project. We can give you what the before and afters may look like. And basically, we tailor ourselves to let you design what you want. We take the approach as a family. We'll actually take time and care to make sure that everything is exactly how you guys want it to be.
We're not a company, we're a family. Welcome home.